Croeso nôl. Shwd 'ych chi? How are you? Croeso nôl i'r Eisteddfod Amgen. A Gwers 2. Lesson 2. Recap. Yesterday, I learned to introduce myself. Helen, and we concentrated on the word gwylio, to watch. Dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio Coronation Street. Yn yr Eisteddfod, dwi'n gwylio'r corau, dwi'n gwylio'r dawnsio, dwi'n gwylio'r ceremony. Da iawn. See if you can remember. How do we say, I'm watching the Eisteddfod? Da iawn. Dwi'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod. The choirs. Dwi'n gwylio'r corau. The ceremony. Dwi'n gwylio'r ceremony. The dancing. Dwi'n gwylio'r dawnsio. Nawr, heddiw, dydd Sul. Dydd Sul, Sunday, dydd Sul. So, let's add one word. As it's dydd Sul, yn yr Eisteddfod, you may possibly be watching the gwasanaeth. 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 Yesterday we had the word Eisteddfod, obviously, with the in the middle. And I said, take your 2 fingers, put them here, and you'll hear something. Heddiw, today, gwasanaeth. Nothing there. Gwasanaeth. Try it. Gwasanaeth. Dwi'n gwylio'r gwasanaeth. I'm watching the service. Dwi'n gwylio'r gwasanaeth. Dwi'n gwylio'r gwasanaeth. A chi? Da iawn. If you've been along the M4, the M4, you'll see the signs. Gwasanaethau, services. Gwasanaethau. One service, gwasanaeth. Da iawn. Dwi'n gwylio'r gwasanaeth. Nawr, heddiw, we're going to look at gofyn question, asking a question. Ac yn Gymraeg, we have 2 ways of saying you. We have ti. Ti is the informal singular form you'd use with one person, one friend, one close relation, always someone younger. And increasingly with majority of people. Ti. The other form, which is always plural, but also used as a sign of respect, is chi. Chi. Of course, these forms did exist in Saesneg, in English, with thou, thee, thou, but long gone. We just have you. But the 2 forms are very common in many European languages, Cymraeg being one. Ti, chi. Heddiw, we're going to concentrate on the ti form. The ti form. So, yesterday we did dwi, I am. To ask the question, we'd say, wyt-ti, 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 wyt-ti. Da iawn, try it. Wyt-ti, wyt-ti, wyt-ti. So, do you watch? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio? A chi? Da iawn, wyt ti'n gwylio? So pop the name of the TV programme at the end. Coronation Street. Wyt ti'n gwylio Coronation Street? Pobl y Cwm. Wyt ti'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm? Strictly. Wyt ti'n gwylio Strictly? Newsnight. Wyt ti'n gwylio Newsnight? Question of sport. Wyt ti'n gwylio Question of sport? Da iawn. Wyt ti. So, to practice our Eisteddfod vocab, and do you remember? Do you watch the? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r? Yeah? Can't say wyt ti'n gwylio Eisteddfod. Are you watching Eisteddfod? Are you watching the Eisteddfod? Do you watch the Eisteddfod? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod? Ask me, do you watch the choirs? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r corau? Do you watch the dancing? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r dawnsio? Do you watch the ceremony? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r ceremony? Heddiw, are you watching the service? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r gwasanaeth? You've probably noticed there that I'm going between do you watch, are you watching? My Cymraeg yn hawdd. Welsh is so much easier than English there. We have just one present tense. Wyt ti'n gwylio? Are you watching? Do you watch? Wyt ti'n gwylio? That's it. The answer will be either ydw. Ydw. Do you remember do we? Can you see it there in the answer? Do, but with a ydw. 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 You say it. Da iawn. Ydw. Or nac ydw. Nac ydw. Nac ydw. Nac ydw. So we're keeping the ydw, we're putting a nac in front of it. Ydw, nac ydw. This is where I lose the plot. Ask myself a question and answer it. Helen, wyt ti'n gwylio Coronation Street? Nac ydw. Helen, wyt ti'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio'r corau? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio'r ceremony? Ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio'r dawnsio? Ydw. Ydw, nac ydw. Answer my questions. Wyt ti'n gwylio Newsnight? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio Coronation Street? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n gwylio rygbi? Ydw, nac ydw. Obviously you are. Wyt ti'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod? Ydw, nac ydw. So, to practice that in a different setting, let's extend our vocabulary. So far we could say, wyt ti'n gwylio, wyt ti'n dawnsio. Yeah? Wyt ti'n dawnsio. But to eat yw bwyta. To eat is bwyta. 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 Dyma fe. Bwyta. Bwyta. So, are you eating? Or do you eat? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Da iawn. A chi? Iawn. So, bwyd yn yr Eisteddfod. I've been trying to think of some typical food we'd eat in the Eisteddfod. So, very traditional. Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? You try. Da iawn. Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? Pizza. Put it into a question. Wyt ti'n bwyta pizza? Pasta. Wyt ti'n bwyta pasta? Okay, some new words. Got to have these in any Eisteddfod. Sglodion, but quite often referred to as sklods. Sklods. Doesn't sound very Cymraeg, I know, but sklods. Sklods. Ask me, do I eat chips? Wyt ti'n bwyta sklods? Da iawn. Wyt ti'n bwyta sklods? Bara. 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 It's a bit of a joke, yeah? What's the Pink Panther's favourite food? Bara. Bara. Sorry. Wyt ti'n bwyta bara? But more common yn yr Eisteddfod would be, it's a more difficult word, brechdan. 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 And in the middle there, we have that sound. You really need to feel it scrape the back of your throat. Brechdan. Brechdan. Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdan? Plenty of this in the Eisteddfod. Cacen. Cacen sounds a little bit like cake. This is actually bara brith. Yeah, bara brith. But the general cacen. Cacen. Wyt ti'n bwyta cacen? And an easy one to end with. Bisgedi. Sounds like biscuits. Bisgedi. Do you eat biscuits? Wyt ti'n bwyta bisgedi? Da iawn. So, pop all of these into a question. Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? Wyt ti'n bwyta pizza? Wyt ti'n bwyta sglods? Wyt ti'n bwyta bara? Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdan? Or if we were to say, do you eat sandwiches? Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdanau? Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdanau? Wyt ti'n bwyta cacen? Wyt ti'n bwyta bisgedi? Da iawn. Now, answer my questions. You'd say they either ydw or nac ydw. You don't have to be eating them now. Do you eat, as a rule? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Okay. Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta pizza? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta sglods, sglodion? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta bara? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdanau? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdanau ham salad? Salad a ham. Wyt ti'n bwyta brechdanau ham salad? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta cacen? Ydw, nac ydw. Or more specifically, wyt ti'n bwyta bara brith? Ydw, nac ydw. Ac wyt ti'n bwyta bisgedi? Ydw, nac ydw. Wyt ti'n bwyta bisgedi siocled? Ydw, nac ydw. Da iawn. So, recap. Heddiw, we just recapped dwi'n. Yeah, so I watch, dwi'n gwylio. I dance, dwi'n dawnsio. I eat, dwi'n bwyta. I watch Coronation Street, dwi'n gwylio Coronation Street, but I watch dwi'n gwylio'r. Dwi'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod, dwi'n gwylio'r dawnsio. I dance, dwi'n dawnsio. I eat, dwi'n bwyta. Dwi'n bwyta. A'r cwestiwn, wyt ti? Do you watch? Wyt ti'n gwylio? Wyt ti'n gwylio S4C? S4C? Wyt ti'n gwylio S4C? Wyt ti'n gwylio'r Eisteddfod? Do you dance? Wyt ti'n dawnsio? Wyt ti'n bwyta? Wyt ti'n bwyta curry? Ydw, nac ydw. Da iawn. Try and learn some new names of food by tomorrow. Felly, remember to take a look at dysgucymraeg.cymru, learnwelsh.cymru, look at our taster courses, look at Uned 1 entry, but you can also see in Uned 2 of the entry course, practice on wyt ti and some foods. Diolch yn fawr, gwelech chi fory. Hwyl! bye.